my channel. Today I woke up not long ago, just feeling so tired, so lazy, but I have one thing to do in the kitchen. I want to make a spice. I want to mix 1 or 2 spices together and use it for my steamed meat, stews and other things. But I'm coming to use onion peels. Yes, you heard me. Don't throw your peels away. They are very important. You can use them. So what I'll do is that I'll only have to get the very neat ones. Wash them thoroughly. Either I dry them on the sun or I bake them so that they'll become dry, so I'll be able to blend it well. So I'll just add 1 or 2 spices and other things to it, then I'm good to go. I don't need to go and buy any expensive spice and all that. I'll take you through the process one by one. Then you see how I make my spice. So let's go get the spice done. So after washing my onion peels, these are my onion peels, I washed them thoroughly and then I'm going to bake it out. So I'll put it in the oven for it to dry so we can make our spices. I've reduced the fire. Onions are crispy, they are dried now. I added dried pepper. Yes, dried pepper. Yeah, okay. I think I can remove it now. These are the things I'm going to use. This is my dried onion peels. I baked them, it's ready. Then my dried chili pepper, my bay leaves, rosemary, then cloves, and I'll use Onga Maggi cube. Onga cube, it's not Maggi. Maggi is also another brand. Anyway, so join me, let me take you through how the finishing of this.
So I'm about to blend these things. So I'll just put them here. I'll just press them inside this way. Press them inside. Press it. Add my dry pepper, chili pepper. I'll put all my dry ingredients together. All of these, I'll put them together. So that everything must go in. Everything must go in. All my dry ingredients. Then I add my cube. You can add any seasoning of your choice, but I prefer this a little. Ready to blend.
The end product of the onion peels, rosemary, bay leaves, cloves, and my seasoning. This is the end product. So what you do is that when you want to steam your meat, stew, soup, you can use this, just a little. Use it. So voila, this is my special spice. So try it at home. Let me know in the comment section.